Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious beef dish. First, select a tender cut of beef, such as sirloin or flank steak, for optimal tenderness. Next, slice the beef against the grain into thin, uniform pieces, about 1/4 of an inch thick. This helps ensure even cooking and a more tender bite. Finally, marinate the beef for at least 30 minutes to infuse it with rich flavors before cooking. Now, let's cook. Ensure your pan or wok is heated to a high temperature before adding the beef. This creates a beautiful sear. Cook the beef in small batches to prevent overcrowding, which can steam the meat instead of browning it. Sear each side for just 1 to 2 minutes until it's nicely browned and cook to your preferred doneness, keeping it tender and juicy. Once your beef is cooked, it's time to bring everything together. Reintroduce the beef to the pan, then incorporate your desired vegetables and sauce. Stir-fry quickly for another 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring all ingredients are well combined and heated through. This final step infuses the beef with the sauce and keeps the vegetables crisp. Serve your delicious beef dish immediately with rice or noodles for a satisfying meal. For the best results, consider using a wok for stir-frying, as its shape provides excellent heat distribution. Remember, the key is not to overcook the beef. It should remain tender and juicy, not tough. A quick sear is usually all it needs. Also, for other great deals and to check out the link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look in the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.